Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out, can you remove Amazon apps from Firestick? Let's go. Open settings. Applications. Manage installed apps. It is possible to delete a regular application. Choose Amazon app. The delete button is missing. You can only clear the cache. But for example, you can delete the Amazon Music or Amazon browser application. What is the conclusion? You can delete Amazon apps, but not all. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.